Morning, Singapore. It's August 11 and then it's my last leg of my tour Curva X. And then I'm just gonna show you kung if you're planning to come here to Singapore, kung asa magstay na cheap. Well, on that side, ito siya nga area. Mona siya ang Travelers at SG. You can look for that sa Agoda. And then, ganong mas ideal siya kay straight lang. Straight dito is ang Lavender Station. So, doon ra siya nimo baklayon. So, ang itinerary for today, kay since a few hours lang man nga to ang, not a few hours, mga, basta, ang atong stay din sa Singapore, kay layover naman ni siya. I'll be going now to Gardens of the Bay. And then, mag-visit ko sa kuang friend din that I met 7 years ago. And then, sa AIRBNB Singapore. Mora. Dinhi fair price. Tapos di ako nagpalit og panihapon gabi kalamansi juice, bread og instant nga mushroom pasta ish, $4.50. So padulong ko sa station. From east-west line to north-south line. Kaya pagunta sa Marina Bay MRT line. So ayan, lingkod sa Okadjut ha. It's been a long time since gisingot ko. Oh, sorry sa kong tagway. So we're already inside here, the flower dome sa my Gardens by the Bay. And if you're wondering yun saan ako siya pag-purchase, I purchased through KLOOK. So I'm gonna link my referral code down below so that you too can have like discounts. Because ako, I've been using KLOOK for the past few years, from Wi-Fi to transportation and through activities also. And then I think discounted na ang 800-ish plus pesos sa kaning Gardens by the Bay. But since naganit na ako yung mga credits nga na-earn, I got the Gardens by the Bay around mga 600 pesos-ish na lang. So, nakaless ko mga 200 pesos. So, I'm gonna put my link down below para you too can enjoy discounts if ever you're going to travel. So, this is one of my bucket list kasi it's a favorite of my mom. Na karon pagdating orchid season, iyahan yung favorite. So, akong picturean kay para sa iyahan. Okay! Automatic door. Oops. See? Wow. naata din sa The Lost World. Picture plant. Oh. These are crystals. Miniature orchids. Kita mo ito? Zoom in na. Wala siya yung magnifying glass. Tadaan! This is my brunch. Murag nahimo na ning tradition na for every country that I go to kay mag-hato makdo. So this one's hash brown, orange juice, and then the chicken sausage breakfast wrap. So pang breakfast siya pero I'm having it in for lunch. So this cost me $7.55.